much-needed restoration of City Hall will soon become a reality. Renetta Lafleur has all the details.
A two-day stakeholder workshop on the restoration and conservation plans for the historic building, as well as the city engineers building, began today at the Duke Lodge. Director of Culture Tamika Boswin described the plans as critical for the preservation of Guyana's heritage.
Guyana has lost many beautiful buildings because of the absence of a proper management plan. The New Amsterdam Hospital and the original Sacred Heart Church are examples of heritage lost as a direct result of the absence of good management plans. Thus, the importance of developing these plans.
The project is a collaborative effort between the European Union and the National Trust of Guyana. Ambassador of the EU delegation, Yerne Videtek, described the plan as the precursor for future related works on other heritage structures.
City Hall has been described as the most picturesque structure and the most handsome building in Georgetown, as well as one of the finest examples of Gothic architecture in the Caribbean. This plan will set the benchmark to enable a transfer of know-how on how to correctly restore other monuments of historical and symbolic value in Guyana.
Some of the plan's components include an assessment of the current condition, a feasibility analysis, and restoration management plan for the preservation of the structure. City Hall's restoration could cost as much as $400 million. From the Duke Lodge, with videographer Leon Leung, I am Renetta Lafleur for InfoHub.